In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link tasks in ClickUp. Whether you're managing a large project or simply ensuring your daily tasks connect seamlessly, linking tasks can be incredibly beneficial. So, let's dive right in and explore how you can achieve this effortlessly. First, you'll want to open a task within your ClickUp workspace. This might sound straightforward, but remember that the task you choose will be the primary task to which you will link other tasks. So, make sure it's the one that holds significance in your project's workflow. Once you have that task open, direct your attention to the right sidebar of the screen. This sidebar is home to numerous additional features and options that can enhance your task management experience. Now, as you scan through the sidebar, you will need to locate the option that says Plus More or a prominent plus icon under the section labeled Task Links. Don't be alarmed if you don't see it immediately. Sometimes it's tucked away further down the sidebar, so a little scrolling might be necessary. Click on whichever option appears for you. This action will open up a menu with various options dedicated to task linking and integration. From the presented menu, select the option to link task. At this point, you'll be prompted to search for the task or tasks you wish to link. ClickUp provides a helpful search function, so you can easily find tasks by name and even by keywords if you're uncertain of the exact name. As you search, remember to select the task or tasks that are relevant to the work at hand. It's often helpful to consider the dependencies or relationships between tasks when selecting which ones to link. Once you've chosen the desired tasks, a simple click will add them to the connection. After successfully linking the tasks, you'll notice these connections appear under the Task Links section in the sidebar. This is a great way to visually and practically connect interdependent tasks, ensuring you maintain a clear overview of your projects. As you're likely aware, linking tasks in ClickUp not only helps with organization, but can also streamline communication and task handovers between team members, keeping everyone on the same page and aligning efforts towards a common goal. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to link tasks in ClickUp. By incorporating this feature into your routine, you can ensure that your projects remain cohesive and interconnected. This process, while simple, can greatly improve efficiency and productivity within your team. If you find this helpful, make sure to use task linking for all your interconnected activities, and feel free to experiment with it to suit your specific workflow needs. Thanks for watching, and happy task management.